Hello, my friends. If you're a beginner in English, this video is perfect for you. You'll find simple conversations for beginners using basic vocabulary. I invite you to follow carefully until the end. If you don't understand something, don't worry. Just watch it again until you do. Be patient and keep practicing.
Hi, I'm Tom. Today is my first day here.
Hello, Tom. Welcome. I'm Sarah. I work in the marketing team.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm really nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone is very friendly here.
That's good to know. Where is my desk?
Your desk is over there, next to the window.
Great, thank you. Do you know where the bathroom is?
Yes, it's down the hall on the right side.
Perfect. What time do we have lunch break?
We usually take lunch at 12:30. You can come with us.
I'd love to. Is there a cafeteria here?
Yes, on the second floor. The food is pretty good.
Sounds nice. Can I ask you another question?
Of course. Ask me anything you want.
What should I wear to work? Is there a dress code?
Business casual is fine. What you're wearing today is perfect.
Oh, good. I was worried about that.
You look very professional. Don't worry.
Thank you. How long have you worked here?
I've been here for 3 years now.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I really do. The people are amazing.
That's wonderful to hear. I hope I like it too.
I'm sure you will. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I love coffee.
Great. Let me show you where the coffee machine is.
You're so helpful. Thank you so much, Sarah. Hey, Julia. How was your weekend?
It was okay. I didn't do anything special.
Really? I went to the new art museum downtown.
Oh, I've wanted to go there for weeks.
It's incredible. They have amazing paintings.
That sounds wonderful. I love art.
Would you like to go with me sometime?
To the museum?
Yes, or we could do something else if you prefer.
No, the museum sounds perfect.
Great. When are you free?
I'm free this Saturday afternoon.
Saturday works for me too. What time should we meet?
How about 2 p.m.?
Perfect. Where should we meet?
At the museum entrance?
Sounds good. Should we get lunch first?
That's a great idea. Are you hungry at noon?
Yes, noon is perfect for lunch. Do you like Italian food?
I love it. Do you know a good place?
Yes, there's a great restaurant near the museum.
Excellent. So lunch at noon, then the museum.
Exactly. It's a date.
Wait, a date? Like a romantic date?
Yes, if that's okay with you.
Oh, I thought we were just friends.
I really like you, Julia. More than a friend.
I like you too, Chris. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you so much. This place is so crowded today.
Yes, it's always busy on Saturday mornings.
Do you come here often?
Almost every weekend. The coffee is amazing.
Really? What do you recommend?
The cappuccino is my favorite.
That sounds good. I'll try that.
You won't regret it. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved to this neighborhood last week.
Welcome. This is a great area.
Thank you. I'm still learning where everything is.
If you need recommendations, just ask.
That's so kind. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 blocks away.
Lucky you. It seems like a nice neighborhood.
It really is. Lots of good shops and restaurants.
I'm looking for a good bakery. Any suggestions?
Oh, yes, there's one on Main Street. Amazing bread.
Perfect. I love fresh bread.
They also make the best croissants in town.
I'll definitely go there. What's it called?
It's called the Daily Bread. You'll love it.
Great name. Thank you for the recommendation.
No problem. Are you here alone or meeting someone?
Just alone, reading my book and relaxing.
That sounds nice. What are you reading?
A mystery novel. Do you like reading?
Yes, I love mysteries too. What's the title?
Hi, I saw your profile. You like dogs?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I have a golden retriever. His name is Max.
That's so cute. I love golden retrievers. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Nice. I like cats too. What do you do for work? I'm a teacher. I teach English. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I work from home.
That sounds interesting. Do you like working from home?
Yes, but sometimes I feel lonely.
I understand. It's nice to be around people.
Exactly. That's why I'm on this app.
Me too. It's hard to meet new people.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading books and going to the cinema.
Really? What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and romantic movies. You?
I prefer action movies, but I like comedies too.
That's cool. We could watch a movie together sometime.
I'd love that. Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I'm free on Saturday evening.
Perfect. Would you like to meet for coffee first?
That's a great idea. Where should we meet?
There's a nice cafe near the park. Do you know it?
Yes, I know it. What time?
Is 3 p.m. okay for you?
Yes, perfect. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. See you on Saturday, Emma. Hi, I really enjoyed talking to you tonight.
Me too. This party is so much fun.
Yeah, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
Can I have your phone number? I'd like to talk more.
Oh, yes, of course.
Really? That's great. I was nervous to ask.
Don't be nervous. You seem very nice.
Thank you. Do you have your phone with you?
Yes, here it is. What's your number?
It's 555-0789. Can you call me now?
Sure, calling you now. Do you hear it?
Yes. Perfect. Now I have your number too.
Great. Should I save your name?
Yes, please. I'm Alex Martinez.
Nice. I'm Sophie Chen.
What a beautiful name. Are you on Instagram?
Yes. Do you want to follow each other?
That would be nice. What's your username?
It's at Sophie_Chen_art. I post my drawings there.
You're an artist? That's amazing.
Just a hobby. What's your Instagram?
Mine is at Alex_travels. I love photography.
Cool. I'll follow you right now.
Thanks. Can I text you tomorrow?
Yes, please do. I'd like that.
What time is good for you?
Anytime after 10 a.m. is fine.
Perfect. I'll message you in the morning.
I'm looking forward to it, Alex.
Rachel, can we please talk?
I don't know if I want to talk right now.
Please, I really need to apologize.
Okay, I'm listening.
I'm so sorry about yesterday. I was completely wrong.
You hurt my feelings, Mike.
I know, and I feel terrible about it.
You said some really mean things to me.
You're right. I should never have said those things.
You called me selfish. That really hurt.
I didn't mean it. I was angry and stupid.
But you said it. Words hurt, you know?
I understand. There's no excuse for what I said.
I was only trying to help you.
I know you were. You're always trying to help me.
So why did you get so angry at me?
I had a terrible day at work, and I took it out on you.
That's not fair to me at all.
You're absolutely right. It wasn't fair.
I don't deserve to be treated like that.
No, you don't. You deserve so much better.
I need to know this won't happen again.
It won't. I promise. I'll work on controlling my anger.
How can I trust you?
I'll prove it to you. I'll do better every day.
Words are easy, Mike. I need to see actions.
I understand. Can you give me another chance?
I need some time to think about everything.
That's fair. Take all the time you need.
Hey Anna, we're going to the beach on Sunday. Want to come?
Oh, that's so sweet of you to invite me.
Yeah, it'll be fun. We're leaving at 9 a.m.
That sounds amazing, but I can't go.
Oh no, why not? Do you have plans?
Yes, it's my grandmother's 80th birthday party.
Oh wow, that's really important.
Yeah, the whole family will be there.
Of course you should go. Family is important.
I'm really sorry I can't join you guys.
Don't apologize. Family comes first.
Thank you for understanding, Mark.
No problem at all. Maybe next time?
Definitely. I love the beach.
We go almost every month in summer.
That's great. Please invite me again.
Of course. How about in 2 weeks?
Let me check my calendar and tell you later.
Sure. No pressure at all.
You're so understanding. Thanks.
Have a great time at your grandmother's party.
Thank you. I hope you have fun at the beach.
We will. The weather should be perfect.
Don't forget sunscreen.
Good advice. I always forget.
Tell everyone I said hi.
I will. Say happy birthday to your grandma.
I will. She'll be happy to hear that.
Take lots of pictures at the party.
I definitely will. See you next week at work?
Yes, we can talk about our weekends then.
Good morning, Kevin.
Morning, Julia. How are you today?
I'm great. I wanted to tell you something.
Oh, what is it?
Your presentation yesterday was absolutely excellent.
Really? Thank you so much.
I'm serious. You explained everything so clearly.
That means a lot. I was so nervous.
You didn't look nervous at all.
I thought I was shaking the whole time.
Not at all. You seemed very confident.
Wow, thank you. I feel much better now.
The graphs you made were really helpful too.
I spent hours working on those graphs.
It showed. They were perfect.
I'm glad they helped everyone understand.
Also, your new haircut looks really good.
Oh, you noticed? I got it cut yesterday.
It suits you very well.
Thank you. I wasn't sure about it.
No, it's great. Very professional.
You're making me blush.
I'm just being honest. You deserve compliments.
You're always so kind, Julia.
I just like to appreciate good work.
How do you think the boss reacted to my presentation?
She loved it. She told me after the meeting.
She did? What did she say?
She said you might get a promotion soon.
Are you serious? That would be amazing.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
No problem at all. How can I help you?
I'm lost. Do you know where the train station is?
Yes, of course. It's not very far from here.
Oh, good. I was worried it was far away.
No, it's only about 10 minutes walking.
That's perfect. Which direction should I go?
Go straight down this street.
Okay, straight. And then?
Then turn right at the big supermarket.
Right at the supermarket. Got it.
You'll see a park on your left.
Okay, a park on the left.
Keep walking past the park.
How much longer after the park?
About 3 more minutes.
And then I'll see the station?
Yes, it's a big blue building. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. You're very helpful.
You're welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I'm visiting for the first time.
Welcome. Are you enjoying the city?
Yes, very much. The people are so friendly.
That's nice to hear. How long are you staying?
Just 1 more week, unfortunately.
Well, enjoy your time here.
Thank you. Can I ask one more question?
Sure. What is it?
Is there a good restaurant near the station?
Yes, there's an Italian place right next to it.